guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY serving board. These are elegant, make great gift ideas, and you won't believe this super easy Dollar Tree hack. These would retail for $50, $60, but you can get these boards from the hardware store for just a few dollars a piece, and they're actually little mini boards that have been glued together. And I'm going to show you a really cool distressing method that my friend Jess taught me. The final result is going to be awesome.
It's gonna be good. We are problem solving as we go.
That's right. After distressing your board using a hammer, grab some white chalk paint.
Dry brush it on. It's okay to leave the wood through it because the stain's gonna hit the wood. So you actually don't wanna have a full coat. So you do wanna do it very light. Make sure you do the whole thing like this, but keeping the wood grain showing through so the stain will hit that.
This is such a cool way to do this, and I never applied the paint first. Once the paint is on, you can add your stain. And we're using a gray finish, but you could do any color you want. Wipe away excess with a dry cloth and back up Hobby Lobby. This is exactly like what you'd find in store. I grabbed 4 pedestal feet from the craft store for just $2.50, used craft sticks to measure from the edges on all 4 corners, and glued them down using wood glue. Set a heavy object on top and let dry overnight. So recently at the Dollar Tree, I picked up these snowflake placemats, and I set a couple of them on top and thought this would make an amazing stencil. I happened to have some oil rubbed bronze spray paint, and I gave a really light dusting of spray over top of the snowflakes. I didn't adhere them down or anything. This took me about 1 minute. And when I lifted them off, a beautiful design was revealed, and it had softer edges to give it a really elegant and rustic finish. I went over it with sandpaper to distress it even more, and depending on how much you distress, the snowflake will look a little bit different. Here's a lot of distressing and just a little bit, and I think both are equally beautiful. And don't forget to give the pedestal legs a quick coat of paint. And here's some other Dollar Tree items you don't want to miss. These candle holders, I think right now, are my favorite product. They almost look like mercury glass on the inside, and they are so elegant on these surfboards. For the centerpiece display, I love Dollar Tree sand and Dollar Tree jingle bells. Pottery Barn on a budget. So when you're done hosting, you can just leave this out, and then anytime you have things you want to add for a party, it adds a little bit of height to any tablescape or countertop. And what I like to do with the leftovers after a party is just stick them in Ziploc bags in a Dollar Tree bin right in my fridge, so it's super easy to get out next time I have people over. If you enjoyed this video and want more gift ideas, Dollar Tree DIYs on a budget, definitely leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So when you're done hosting, my floor was like, no one's cleaned me in a while. You know what? At least it was just water. That was supposed to happen. That is real life, I'll tell you what.